This is an English beginner video where we will practice 50 essential daily phrases. So in this video, I will say and you will repeat. So let's get started with the first essential phrase. Good morning. How are you today? I am happy to see you. What time is it right now? Can you help me with this? I would like to drink water. Where is the nearest bus stop? Let's go to the park later. I don't understand this word yet. Please speak slowly. I'm still learning. So I want you to comment your favorite phrases below. Choose any. I want to hear from you. And I want to hear what you want to learn about in the next video. Let's carry on with the phrases. My favorite color is blue. Yours? Today's weather is very nice outside. I need to buy some groceries today. Do you want to eat lunch together? This food tastes really good. Try it. I wake up early every morning. She goes to school by bus. We like to watch movies together. Do you want to eat lunch together? He works in an office downtown. They live in a small apartment. You have a beautiful smile today. Sorry, I don't have my phone. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? You need to keep watching this video. The best phrases are coming up. I love listening to music every day. Can I have a cup of tea? Let's meet at the cafe tomorrow. I'm tired. I want to sleep. What is your favorite season? Summer? My birthday is in June sometime. I study English quite a lot. She has cats and one small dog. We are going to the beach. They don't like spicy food much. Please write this down for me. I forgot my keys at home. Do you know how to cook? This shirt is too big for me. I want to learn how to swim. The supermarket is next to the bank. Turn left at the traffic light. So now we're in the top 10 phrases. Which phrase do you like the most? How much does this cost, please? I take a shower every evening. He reads books in his free time. Call me when you arrive home. I can't find my glasses anywhere. Let's take a picture together now. The movie starts at 8 o'clock. I have a headache. I need some medicine. She is wearing a red dress. We should clean the house today. So this video was here to help you improve your pronunciation and help you practice speaking. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need to, you can watch this video multiple times to help you improve, and every time you watch it and speak, you will improve your English. If there's another topic you want to talk about, get in touch with me right below in the comments and I will do my best to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can help you speak better English. Until the next video, goodbye.